Hey guys, welcome back to Styles Beauty, where we indulge in beauty and lifestyle. Okay, do not mind this, guys. See your girl looking fabulous and all. So today I have a hair video for you, and basically, as you can see, it is a Fox Locks video. So it's a short Fox Locks, guys, and to be honest, it is my first time doing this and I am not fully pleased, but it is okay. It is okay. And we rock anything and we make anything look fly on this channel. Okay. I'm just kidding. But guys, you know, it's not my best work yet for me. You can go down in the comment section and let me know what you think about the hair. Okay, it's not, but it can go on. It can go on with itself. I want like a vibes.
Lame nigga, you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice.
Okay, Style Nation. So today, as you can see, I'm getting that ear in. I have my products such as my edge control, my hair, and the crochet needle. Now this ear is a expression hair, not the regular deep wave or hair that you'd normally use for this style. Okay, now this is a use expression here, so that is why you're seeing a little curl in it, which can give you that same style as well. You can achieve that style from this here as well. Now as you see me going around, you see I use my index finger to secure the hair and also to help smooth the hair out and direct the hair where I want it to go. As you can see, I am about to do my first loop, which guys, this is a bit hard for me, but when I found out how it works, and I just did it that way. So as you can see, that little loop is forming. Okay, and as you know, I am trying to do a distress fox locks. Now guys, as I said, this is my first time trying this, so please, I am not expecting it to be the best, but I am going to definitely try my best to get it looking as fabulous as possible. So at the end, as you can see, I am just twisting that around. Okay, I'm twisting that around, and when I reach the end, I am gonna go ahead and do a loop back up on the hair strand. Okay, so as you can see, I use my index finger. You can use your thumb as well, whatever suits you, whatever is better for you. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and twist that here up the shut. I'm sorry guys, my lip tongue is not working with me today. So you're gonna twist that up back the shaft of the hair. Okay, and that will help the hair to seal in, and you'll have your fox locks. Okay guys, as you can see, I rubbed the end there just to make sure it is sealed in properly, and then I'm going on to the next one. Now I'm using the edge control to flick that edge in, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the second here. For me, at the root, I went ahead and do that a bit tight so the hair will stay on the root and not slip off, and you'll see the end of your braid. Okay guys, so remember that. And a whole time after now guys, I'm gonna be honest, this took me 2 days to do. Okay, and why it took me 2 days actually is because I had to stop and get some stuff done, you know. So I really wanted to just get this done in 1 day, but this took me a few days. Okay guys, and as you can see, I'm showing you again how you can achieve that loop, and you just go around and twist around. Now it depends on what you are seeking. If it's a case where you're seeking a very distressed hair, you can go ahead and do the hair much looser with a lot more loops. Okay guys, but I'm just doing a semi-distressed hair look, so I'm hoping that this will give me the look I am trying to achieve. And as you can see, you see those knots there, and I'm just going down the hair shaft and twisting around and making a few more loops. Okay, now as you can see, when I'm at the end, I went ahead and checked to see the length of the second one. Okay, now guys, definitely remember to do this. Now this is one of the reasons I'm having issues with my hair, because I did not do this for all of the braid. Well, I should say all of the lock here. I did not do this, and that's why I had issues with some of the hair being longer than some, and the hair not looking even and looking like a bob. Okay, so definitely remember this, beginners. Okay, so your hair can come out looking fabulous. Okay. Also remember to like, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section so I know what you think about the style, what you think about my videos and my channel. Okay guys, please go ahead and interact with the video, okay, so I know what you like to see and I can go ahead and give you those videos. I see that you guys are really interacting with my makeup videos, so I'll be definitely going in on the makeup videos. Definitely go ahead and link me up on my Instagram and my TikTok. Yes, I have a TikTok, guys. I'm not that funny, but I do have a TikTok, so go ahead and link that down. I'm gonna link that down in the description box, so check it out guys, and check out more of what I do when I'm not on YouTube. Okay. So this is really a beginner friendly kind of style, so anyone can do it, anyone. Okay girls, so go ahead and try this style and let me know how you feel. I feel like African princess in this style though, guys. I'm loving this style. Like, I feel like,